Been there, you're at the airport, excited for your trip, you check the departure board, and there it is, delayed or even worse, cancelled. Suddenly, your well-planned journey hits a snag. Flight delays and cancellations are a common source of frustration for travelers. They disrupt plans, cause missed connections, and lead to long waits at the airport. But why are they so frequent? The reasons are complex and varied, ranging from technical issues to factors beyond the airline's control. Understanding these reasons can help you manage your expectations and navigate the uncertainties of air travel. One of the most obvious causes of flight delays is mechanical problems. Airplanes are complex machines with thousands of parts. Just like your car, they require regular maintenance and can experience unexpected issues. Weather is another major culprit, causing significant disruptions to flight schedules. Storms, fog, and even strong winds can make it unsafe to take off or land. Airlines prioritize safety, so they will delay or cancel flights if weather conditions are unfavorable. Not all delays are due to technical difficulties. Sometimes the reasons are more human-related. For instance, crew availability plays a crucial role in on-time performance. Pilots and flight attendants have strict work-hour limits to prevent fatigue, which can impact flight schedules. Air traffic control is another factor that can cause delays. Think of it like a highway in the sky. Air traffic controllers manage the flow of aircraft, ensuring safe separation between them. During peak hours or when there's congestion, delays can occur as planes wait for their turn to take off or land. Section 4. The domino effect impacts of delays and cancellations. Delays and cancellations have a ripple effect throughout the airline industry. When one flight is delayed, it can impact subsequent flights, especially if it involves an aircraft or crew scheduled for another route. Airlines face financial losses due to delays and cancellations, including compensation for passengers, rebooking fees, and lost revenue from empty seats. Passengers bear the brunt of the inconvenience, experiencing stress, missed connections, and lost productivity. Section 5. Tips for travelers navigating the unexpected. While you can't control the weather or mechanical issues, there are steps you can take to minimize the impact of delays. Book early morning flights, as they are less likely to be affected by cascading delays. Check in online and arrive at the airport with ample time to spare. Stay informed about your flight status through airline apps or websites. Pack essential items in your carry-on in case of baggage delays. Remember, air travel involves many moving parts, and delays are sometimes unavoidable. By understanding the reasons behind them and being prepared, you can approach delays with a calmer perspective and make the most of your journey.